Hi, welcome to this channel. I'm Anifa, and in this video I will make a tutorial about how to make a simple application to find the area of rectangle using Scratch. Let's start it. First, open the Scratch, and this is the view of the Scratch. Because I want to make a simple application to calculate the area of rectangle, so I will put the picture of rectangle here, and the picture will called as Sprite. And then you can click this and choose Paint to draw the rectangle, and click the rectangle icon and draw here, and then back to the code. After that, you can drag the sprite everywhere you want, and I will change this cat sprite into people, so I will delete by click the trash icon, and then add the sprite, and I will choose Abby. I will set Abby here, and then we make variables length, width, and area by click variables and click make a variable, and I will type A for the length, and I will put it in here, and then do the same way for B and area. B is for width, and I will put here and make for the area. It will be here, and then we will make the code. So to start the application, click Events and drag when flag click. So this application will be started if we click this green flag. After that, set the variables. Click variables and drag set A to 0. We have 3 variables, so I drag 3 of this. Change this into B and change this into area. And then I want AB to say something, so I will click looks and drag say hello for 2 seconds, and then I want to change the gesture of Abby, so I will click customs here to see what gesture is. First, Abby has this gesture, and back to the code, and I will change the costume, switch costume to ABA, and then Abby will say again, she will say, we will look for the area of rectangle. I will set the timer into 3 seconds. And then Abby will ask, click something, drag ask what's your name and wait into this box, and type, she will ask, how long A do you want? And then change A by click variables, drag change A by 1. This will be answer. And then wait for 1 minute, And Abby will ask again for how long B do you want? And change B into the answer. Click sensing and drag the answer here. After that, I will switch the costume again because Abby will thinking, and I will change into ABB, and then she will think, drag, think, hum for 2 seconds, and then she will think again, drag, think, hum for 2 seconds again, and she will think like this. The area of rectangle is length times width, so it is A times B, and it will be, and then we change the area into A times B, so we choose operators here and click the multiplication and click variables and drag A here, B here, and join this into change area by A times B, and then I'll switch the costume of Abby again to the costume of surprise or happy costume, that is ABC, and then Abby will say the answer of the area, so we use operators again, put the variable A here and variable B here and join into the sentence. I will change the timer for this into 5 seconds because this is long sentence, and I will change this into 3 seconds. The query is done, so to close this, click Controls and click Stop All. The application is done, so we will click the results by click this green flag. I will fill with 12 and fill with 6. That's all the tutorial how to make simple application to find the area of rectangle using Scratch. Hope it will be useful for you.